Hello everyone, I am Minakshi and today in this video I would like to tell you a short life story of a girl named Ria. So in this video I will be narrating her feeling before and after her interview. But I would like to talk to you before starting the story that or you can say that I would like to ask you something, that is, have you ever given any interview in your past? If yes, then it's perfect scenario to think in English and you can do practice on it if you are also learning the same language. And second case might be that if you haven't given any interview yet, still you can replace yourself with the character Ria and can narrate the story in English. As well as let me tell you that I have been also practicing to improve my fluency, at the same time encouraging you to do the same thing, especially learners. Okay, so let's begin the story. Ria always had a dreamed of becoming a news anchor. So whenever she used to any news, always pictured herself while sitting behind the news desk. And as she completed her degree in mass communication, she started applying for jobs. But she was not getting positive response quickly due to she became disappointed, but she didn't give up. Even she started uh, work hard more and started brushing up on her English fluency, as well as started following current affairs in English, as she wanted a news anchor show. So she started reading aloud newspapers script. And one day she received an email from a local news channel. They invited her for an interview the next morning. She screamed with joyful after reading that and told about this to her parents. Her parents became so happy, even her mother embraced her and her father smiled proudly. Now it's time of Ria to think about the perfect outfit during interview time. As well as she started thinking about interviews related questions that could ask in her interview. Even before the night, or how can I say, even the night before the interview, she couldn't sleep well. She kept thinking about the interview scenarios. Now, next day came and she reached in the office 30 minutes early. She sat on the reception area having a mix of, or I can say that she sat on the reception area and mix she sat on the reception area feeling mix of nervousness and excitement. So there were so many more candidates. Those looked little older and confident as well. But Ria didn't scare. But Ria was not scared. She reminded herself of that how much hard work she has done for this interview. So it kept her motivated during the interview. Now they called Ria for interview. She entered in the room after getting permission. Then she sat on the chair and started giving answers. Firstly, she was so clear and confident while answering all the questions. And at the end of the interview, she was asked to read aloud newspaper's script. As she started reading that aloud, first her voice was little bit shaky, but after reading 2 or 3 lines, that became stronger. In this way, Ria had given her interview, and then she came out of that room. Her parents were waiting for her outside, and she told everything her parents. They listened to their daughter proudly. And after 2 days, she got a call from the same company, and she knew it within that must be a positive response from the company. So, the moment when she was picking the call, her heart was racing, as well as tears filled her eyes with joy and happiness as she thanked them again and again. After that, she told this good news to her parents, and they were also so happy and proud for her daughter. And at the same night, they celebrated dinner for Ria. So now it's your time to narrate the story, and I will see you in the next video, probably with a story or something else. See you in the next video. Till then, happy learning and bye bye.